Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be creating HSL bus line 588, which runs from Länsisalmi in Vantaa to the Sotunki school in Vantaa via eastern Helsinki. And both ends of this line are actually new ones, so there will be quite some building today once again for a change. We start at a stop called Hetbakkantie, Hetbakkaväin, which is located here in Västersundum, or Länsisalmi. Let's see. The stop is actually, it is located in here, in a loop. So, okay, stop. No train tracks here. It's gonna be city road. So it's located sort of no, stop then. And no. Come on, no double tracks, but a stop. It seems I'm a bit tired today. So it's located in here. Oh, well, let's put it here, shall we? And like I said, it's called Hetbakkantie, Hetbakkaväin. Then let's connect it with the roads. Let's just say that there is a double track road over there. I think there will be, because there are other stops, other bus lines running here too. And then let's make a nice little turn like that, and a nice little turn like that. There we go. So the terminus is now here. After the Hetbakkantie stop, we will then have a stop at, let's see. The following stop is then called Länsisalmentie, Västersundumväin, and it's located on the ring road number 3. And let's use the city road fast in here. Oops, it's a double, of course. So Länsisalmentie, Västersundumväin. Okay, thank you. Then let's go on over there, and then let's go to the slow city road, or the ordinary city road, and connect it with this small stretch of road I built in here. And there we go. Then, after Länsisalmentie, we will stop at Pitkäsuo. Let's see. Långmoss. I will slightly intentionally misplace the stop a bit. So Pitkäsuo, Långmoss is going to be over here. And then let's add this road over here. That's an ordinary city road. And then let's build the fast city road, which will run above it on a bridge. Let's create a bridge over there and over there. And let's go back to ground level. Thank you. And this road will run all the way under all of these junctions and merge with the Länsisalmentie stop over there. Then let's see how I'm going to achieve them. The ramps, they are a different question. Oops. So the exit ramp is pretty long one actually. I don't want to make it that long, so I will then just... Okay, I will just put this one on a bridge too. I don't know which one of these is on a bridge, but frankly, I don't even care. I just want to get this done. I hate these junctions, really. And there we go. And then the exit ramp, or the entrance ramp, is in here. And it's gonna join the road in, let's say, there. There we go. Then let's add the signals to these new ramp systems here, and then we have successfully left this highway. I hope. Of course, the real success rate will be deemed when I get to creating the line, which actually hasn't happened yet. Am I? Oh. So, after that, after Pitkäsuo, we will then stop at the Fatserintie, and don't tell me that's already an existing stop. It is. Cool. So, let's get back to City Red and connect with the existing roads over here, because we've just managed to create the starting point of the line. And now let's see how we're going to get to the ending point of the line, which is equally interesting actually. I have no idea how this road runs, except that it sort of forms the shape of an S, or not quite an S, but something like that. But we will get to that shortly, so let's not worry about that yet. Just yet. There we go. So now we build the blueprints, and then we go to lines, and the line we were about to create was 588, right, which is, I think, the second from last in the 500 lines. So tomorrow, well, not counting the trunk lines, of course, I won't say a thing more about that, but there are very, very few 500 lines left, and then we're going to go up to 600 lines. But that will happen before New Year. That I can promise you. And also there will be some railroad projects upcoming, so stay tuned in the coming weeks and months and days and years. There we go with Longos, and then we go with Fatserintie and Maratontie and Pallastunturintie at Kuulakuja. Then what's gonna happen is that we will stop at a stop called, okay, if that's Kuulakuja, but okay, interesting. Really interesting. Let me just check out a couple of things on the map, because I think there may be some sort of an issue. No, that's Kuulakuja, that's all good. That's Maalinauhantie and Molsnersvein, but this bus line is gonna go to Maalinauhantie. The issue is, where the hell is Maalinauhantie? Because the stop I've created in here is Keihäsrinne, but have they changed? Let's see. I will have to Google a couple of things now. Okay, so the stop has changed its name. Let's have a little look at things here. K has written number 54. I will do a double check now if number 54 now stops at Maalinauhantie. It's not even supposed to stop there. What the hell? Sorry, 95N is the stop. The line. 95N is the line which is supposed to stop in there. Yeah, so they've changed names of stops. Okay, okay. Well, oh no, I've just forgotten to name it. My bad, it seems. There we go. Now I'm on the map, so I have forgotten to rename a stop once way back in the day, and that's what caused all of these issues with my line creating. Oh, oops. Quite something. Okay, so let's go back to the lines. Then we will stop at Maalinauhantie. And what happens after Maalinauhantie is that we're gonna stop at, thank you very much. I won't probably be needing you anymore. So after Maalinauhantie comes a one-way stop. Wait, what again? Diskusväin and Sabelväin to the other direction. So yeah. That's the other way stop of it. And then we're gonna stop at now I think I am on the map. So after Säilätie, we're gonna stop at Rajakyläntie. But instead of stopping at that Rajakyläntie stop, we're gonna stop at Rajakyläntie stop on the other side of the crossing. I mean, I'm already so confused by this whole thing I'm doing that I hope you know what I'm doing, because I'm not really sure anymore. Well, then I shall delete the station and make the platform of the Rajakyläntie stop over here. There we go. After Rajakyläntie, we will then stop at Pyörätie. Interesting. So Pyörätie Cykelväin, and the opposing stop is actually called Viestitie Stafettväin. So all of these stops are really not parallelly named, which causes issues again here, but we're heading this way, so it's going to be Pyörätie Cykelvägen. Thank you. Come on. The Donald Duck fix always fixes it, you know, you just have to hit it hard enough and that's fixed. Once again, I chose violence. But with machinery it works. With people it doesn't. Don't try that with people. And after Pyörätie, we're then gonna stop at, oh my gosh, what's gonna happen here? We're gonna stop at Seivästie. Hopstavsväin. And then, so Seivästie is gonna be over here. Oops, stop it will be. I'm writing, but nothing happens. And after save as tie, we're gonna stop at Louhikkotie, which means that we're gonna connect with this road over here, which has been built ages ago for the Eastern Helsinki bus lines, which really were created ages ago, because in between I've created 100 series, 200 series, 300 series, and 400 series. So that was something that was built months ago. But we will now connect with that. And so here comes, and there goes, and then we stop at Louhikkotie. Then let's see what happens. That it's gonna be Somerikkopolku, Rajatie, and Kirkkokuja. So let's see, Somerikkopolku, Rajatie, and then we're gonna need to create, oh no, we have the junction show, so then we're gonna have a Kirkkokuja, Vaaralan Talkootie, and Vaaralan tie. Then we're gonna stop at ring road number 3. Hepopolku, Hevoshaanpolku, Raudikkopolku, Hakunila. Then at Suitsikuja, at Hakunilan uimahalli, at Sotungintie, at Nissaksentie, at Riimukuja, at Kanneltie, at Palttinatie, at Loimitie, at Itä-Hakkilan koulu, then at Kehrukuja, where the hell is that? It's over here. And after Kehrukuja, I think we're gonna turn right. Let's see, that was quite a distance I covered. That's right. So after Kehrukuja, we're gonna turn right, and now I just have to find Kehrukuja on this map, because I covered quite some distance here. So it was Kivipyykin tie, Stenrösväin, and it's going to be located right in here between these two roads already being built. Interesting. Come on. Come on. There we go. Then we're going to take a right turn in there, and then we'll just move some signals. After Kivipyykin tie, we're going to stop at Merkkipuun tie. So I guess that's going to be over there. Where the hell? I'm pretty much lost again. Yeah, that's right. So let's connect with the existing roads again in here. I won't bother building this right now. And then we're gonna stop at Merkkipuun tie, which is gonna be located in here. That's only in Finnish, it seems. Or is it? Råtredsvägen. Well, okay, let's just give it both names then. Then we're gonna stop at Pohjankuja. Norrgränden. And then we're gonna stop at Kontiomäentie, Björnbacksvägen, After Kontiomäentie, we're gonna stop at Oravamäentie, Ekorbacksvägen. Oh, this stop also has two different names, but Oravamäentie is cuter. There we go. After Oravamäentie, we're then gonna stop at Nikuksentie, Nikuksväin, then we're gonna stop at Tuliniementie, Tuliniemiväin, we're gonna stop at Sepänrinne, Smedsbrinken, then we're gonna no wait, Sepänrinne, Smedsbrinken, then Sepänmäki, Smedsbacken. Then we're gonna stop at Kalkkiuunintie, Kalkungsväin. I wonder what the problem is today. How do you spell ugn? Ugn. Okay. Seems legit. After Kalkkiuunintie, we're gonna stop at Mäntykummuntie, Talkylläväin, on. What is your issue? Then we're gonna stop at Nurmimäentie, Ängsbackavägen. And finally we're gonna stop at the school in Sotunki, and the stop is gonna be called Sotungin koulu. That's gonna be right in front of the sports field here, and then we're gonna probably turn in the stop of the parking place of the school. There we go. This is the terminus. And then let's create a nice little loop in, okay, not there, but here, and there we go. Roads have been built. This thing is ready for service. And then let's build the blueprints. And then go back to where I used to be, to Kehrukuja, which was somewhere in here. Let's see, and then let's just fix it from here to finish, and then go all the way back. So, accidentally I got back home, and then let's see how often this line runs. Can't be very often. It's so rural areas. 11:50, 12:57. That's every hour. So an hourly line it shall then be. And let's go get a bus. And let's clone this bus. And then make it number 975. I will need 2 buses in order to operate it well enough. So that's it, an hourly line. So roads have been built, lines have been created, buses have been bought, and everything is up and running. There will be a new video tomorrow. So until then, bye.